Good morning, students. In a continuation of previous class, today we will discuss the more program based on the selection statement. We are discussing the program based on the if, elif, else statement. In previous class, we have already discussed few programs based on this type of selection statement. Today we will discuss the more program based on the selection statement. The program that we discuss is program to find out the greatest number between the three different numbers. Means we have to calculate, we have to create a program that will accept the three number, that will input the three numbers will be entered by the users, and the programs returns the greatest number among the three different numbers. So we start the program using the spider environment. So we first of all we make the comment so that user can understand that the program is used to calculate the greatest number among the three different numbers. Program to find the greatest number among the three different numbers. Three different program to find the greatest number among the three different numbers. Means these three different numbers entered by the users. Means the three different, we have to use the input statement that through which user can input the three different number. Suppose first number is n1. n1 equals to int input enter first number. Enter first number. This first number entered by the user. Second one again, n2 equals to int input enter second number. N3 equals to int input enter third number. N1, N2, N3. There are three different numbers, and these three different numbers entered by the users. Suppose there is one another variable, name is max, and we provide the value of n1 in max. Now we use the conditional statement, that is if statement. Means if n2 is greater than n2 is if n2 is greater than max. Max value of max n1 value is assigned in max. Now we will check the condition. If n2 means second value entered by the user, if the n2 is greater than max, means second value is greater than n1, then max equals to n2, means then the greatest value is n2. Next, we will again calculate the next condition, that is n3 is greater than max. Means if this condition will be true, means n2 is greater than max, then max equals to n2. By these statements, we will find out that N2, if N2 means second value is greater than first value, then maximum value is N2. Again we calculate, again we check the condition. If N3 is greater than max, means max equals to N3. Now we will find out the greatest value, that is maximum value among the three different values. Suppose, first of all, max equals to n. If this condition will be true, then the max value is n2. If these conditions will be true, then the max value is n3. Suppose if this condition will be the false, then maximum value assigned in a n1, that is maximum value is n1. And if these conditions will be the false, then we check that maximum value will be the n1, means first number is the maximum value. If both the conditions are the true, then third number is the maximum value. If this condition will be the true and this condition will be the false, then the second number will be the maximum value. So we have already got the maximum greatest value among the three different number that is assigned in the variable max. Now we calculate, we print the statement, that is the greatest number among three different number. Greatest number among three different number, and it is stored in the max variable. Now we will execute the program. For executing the program, we run this. Enter the first number. Suppose first number is 800. Enter the second number. Second number is 400. Enter the third number. Third number is 900. The greatest number among three different is 900. Again we execute the program. Enter the first number. First number is 7800. Second number is 8000. And third number is 5000. Means the greatest number is the 800. Okay. So by using this program, we can calculate the greatest number among the three different numbers. Suppose you have to find out the smallest number among the three different numbers. So dear students, only we have to change the greater than operators. We have to write smaller than operators, and we use mean variable or some other variable to assign the smallest number among the three different numbers. Okay. Now next we will calculate the program to find out the program that input the marks of 5 different number, and it will print the remarks, that is your remarks based on your marks. Means if your marks is more than 90%, then the remarks excellent will be displayed. If your marks is less than 90% and greater than 80%, then very good remarks will be written. Okay, students. Now we will we will create a new programs, and we take the 5 different five, we assign the 5 different variable for taking the input from marks of 5 subjects. Suppose M1 equals to int input, enter the marks of subject 1. Again, M2 equals to int input, enter the marks, enter the marks of subject 2. In same way, enter the marks of subject 3, enter the marks of subject 4. M1, M2, M3, M4, M5. Subject 2, subject 3, subject 4, and subject 5. Next, total marks equals to M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4 plus M5. Total marks will be assigned on variable T. Now we calculate, print total marks. Now we calculate the percentage. P equals to T divided by 5. Calculate, print percentage equals to P. Now we have to assign the grade value based on the marks. Here we have to write the condition if P if P P is greater than 90, then GR equals to excellent. Excellent. Else, L if L if L if means P is between 90 to 80, means the value of P is between 90 to 80. There are two ways for writing this statement, and we write 90 greater than P greater than 80. L if (90) greater than P greater than 80, means value of P is between. Then GR equals to very good. Other way is also for this statement is, that is, if P is less than equals to 90 and P is greater than 80, then GR equals to very good. Same way, L if P is greater than equals to 80 and P is greater than 70, then remarks equals to GR equals to, and last way, else GR else GR equals to work hard. Now we will write print GR. Print. And if. Now we execute the program. Enter the marks of 5 subjects. First subject 100, second subject 90, third subject 95, fourth subject 97, fifth subject 94. Percentage total marks 476, percentage 95.2, and remarks is excellent. Okay, students, in next class we will discuss more program based on the Python selection statement. Okay, students.